friends and chess lovers, welcome to Sermilan Chess. In today's video, I am going to show you 7 different chess tactics for below 1000 rated players. Okay, I am going to give you 7 different chess tactics, black and white. Okay, let's go to the tactic 1. Hello, chess friends and chess lovers. This is tactic 1. First move is white chain. In 3 moves, white wins the game. Okay, let's go to the moves. Tactic 1. First move is knight e4. Now you can see this particular game. This knight forked the rook. Okay. That's why this pawn need to cut this knight. Okay. Now he take the knight. Then you can see how to handle this match. If take with this rook, then he take the rook, then king take the rook. That's it. In this particular pattern, white has so many pieces. That's why easily won the game white. Go back now. Okay. First move is knight e4. In this particular pattern, white did not cut the knight by the phone. He cannot cut. He didn't cut. Okay. Okay. We will see. Black move now, black chain, rook cross c2, then knight a cross f6 and beautiful check. If cut the knight by the phone, then rook take the rook. That's it. That's why this game white easily won the game. That's it. We can go to the tactic 2. Hello, chess friends and chess lovers. This is chess tactics 2. First move is white chain. White wins the game in 2 moves only. How to white won the game. I am going to explain deeply. Please watch until finish this video. Let's go to the moves. First move is rook c4. Okay. If black rook cut the white rook, that's it. In 1 move, black lost the game. Now you can see this rook, this white rook cut the knight and check. Okay, you can see rook cross d7. Now king cannot go. King need to go there. Okay, then grab the rook. That's it. That's why this game white going to win easily. Okay, that's it. We can go to the tactic 3. Hello, chess friends and chess lovers. Welcome to Sermilan Chess. This is tactic 3. First move is white chain. White win the game in 3 moves only. Let's go to the moves. First move is white chain. Rook go to c7. Now there is a pin. There is a pin. That's why this queen need to cut this rook. Okay. Then cut the rook. That's it. In 1 move, black lost the game. Rook cross e6 and beautiful check here. Now there is a family fork. You can see knight attack the king check. Then attack the rook. In the same time, knight attack the queen. Now king need to move. King need to move. King to move like this. Then wrap the queen. That's it. That's why this game white easily won. Because white has queen, knight and 7-4. But black has a rook, a knight and 6-4. That's why white has so many pieces. Easily won the game white. Okay. We can go to the tactic 4. Chess friends and chess lovers, welcome to Sarmilan Chess. First move is black 10. In pawn moves, black wins the game easily. Okay, let's go to the moves. First move is knight go to d2. Okay, now you can see here there is a 4. This knight attack this rook. In the same time, this knight attack this queen. That's why now white pieces. Queen go to d3. Okay. Then bishop cross e3 and check. Okay. Then queen cross e3. That's it. In one move, wrap the rook. Then king got the knight. This game, black easily won the game. Okay, because black has so many pieces. Okay, we can go to the chapter 5. Okay, chess friends and chess lovers, welcome to Sarmilan Chess. This is tactics 5. First move is black chain. In 3 moves only, black wins a game. Okay, let's go to the moves. First move is knight d5. Okay, knight go to d5. Now this knight attack this bishop. Okay, in the same time, this rook cut the rook. If cut the rook, why the white rook? Yeah. Then knight cross c3 and fork the double rook. You can see now this knight attack this rook. In the same time, there is a poke this rook. Okay. Then king go to f1. Then knight cross a2. That's it. Totally this game, why black won the game? Because black has so many pieces. Okay. Let's go to the tactic 6. Chess friends and chess lovers, welcome to Sarmilan Chess. This is tactic 6. First move is white 10. In 2 moves, white won the game. I am going to explain and analyze deeply. Please watch until finish this video. If you are interested in this video, please subscribe and press the bell icon. Okay, let's go to the moves. First move is bishop go to b6. Okay, now attack the queen. Why the bishop? This bishop attack the queen. That's why this queen need to move like this. Yeah, queen go to h4. That's it. Now one moves, wrap the rook. Okay, now knight go to c7 and beautiful check. If king move like this, then wrap the rook. That's it. That's why this game white going to win easily. Okay, we can go to the tactic 7. Welcome to Sarmilan Chess. This is tactic 7. First move is white chain. In 3 moves, white wins the game. We can see how to white win the game. Okay, let's go to the moves. First move is white chain. Knight cross c6. Knight take the knight. Then pawn take the knight. That's it. In 1 move, 2 moves, white win. Now bishop go to b6 and attack the queen. Why the bishop? Now queen need to move. Queen go to d7. Then beautiful check with knight. In this particular chess game, white going to win easily, because if king move like this, then wrap the rook. That's it. That's why white win easily this match. Okay, if you are watching this channel for the first time, please subscribe and press the bell icon. Okay, thank you. Bye bye. God bless everyone. Thank you.